First IPL salary of 5 popular Indian cricketers. Number 1. Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma joined Mumbai Indians in 2011. He used to play for Deccan Chargers, which was Hyderabad franchise. He was one of the top picks for the team in 2008. He was bought for 3 crore by the franchise. Number 2. MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni grabbed the biggest deal in 2008. He was bought by Chennai Super Kings. He was bought for rupees 6 crore. He is now getting a salary of rupees 15 crore. Number 3. AB de Villiers. According to reports, ABD has made more than 100 crore from IPL. He was bought by Delhi Daredevils for rupees 1.2 crore in 2008. He is now a part of Royal Challengers Bangalore. He gets a salary of rupees 11 crore. Number 4. Hardik Pandya. He started his IPL journey from Mumbai Indians in 2015. He was bought by Mumbai Indians for his base price rupees 10 lakh. Till now, he has made around 44 crore from IPL. He now takes 11 crore as salary. Number 5. Virat Kohli. He was bought by RCB in 2008. He was bought on his base price rupees 12 lakh. Till now, he has made more than 140 crore from IPL. He takes a salary of rupees 17 crore. Thanks for watching.